Have you ever wondered what it's like to fly on Turkish Airlines? Over the years, I've had many flights on Turkish Airlines. Some of them have been really long haul ones from Cape Town to Istanbul, and others have been shorter 3.5, 4 hour flights from Oslo to Istanbul, and now recently a domestic flight from Istanbul to Ankara. I've always been impressed with the friendliness of the staff, and there was a time when they used to have like some of their flight attendants used to have like a little chef's hat on. I think they were in charge of the food part, but I haven't seen that the last few flights that I've done. Their safety video is quite entertaining, and there are ports to charge up your phone. There's a USB port. The selection for TV channels or movies is quite good, and what I liked was the domestic flight from Istanbul to Ankara. They didn't put on movies because obviously it's only going to be a 30-minute 40-minute flight, but instead they put on short 30-40 minute shows for you to choose from, so that you'd be able to watch the whole show. The food that they serve, I must say, is really, for airline food, quite tasty. And I've had breakfasts, lunches, dinners on all my flights, and I have always been really quite happy with the food that they have served. So short and sweet, in a nutshell, can I recommend Turkish Airlines? Definitely. I think that they are one of your best value long haul flights, and now I see their short haul flights are just as good. So if you have enjoyed this airline review, you might like to look at some of my other airline reviews I've done, and if you could like, subscribe, please help an old lady out to grow her YouTube channel, and comment below. That'll be awesome, and I'll see you on my next adventure.